Hello everybody. I have a quick video here for you all. I am reverse engineering a top by Entriaguas for an Instagram and YouTube follower. They asked me if I could make that top that you just saw, and I said sure, I'll try. And even though reverse engineering is very controversial, a lot of people don't like it because they feel like it takes away from the ideas of the original creator, which I do understand that. I am not selling this top. I was just trying to figure it out. I hope they aren't offended. I admire all the macrame creators out there. I will not be writing the pattern out or anything, and I didn't even, spoiler alert, get the exact top. But I did figure out a couple of things as I went along with this. I figured out that sometimes you just have to rotate what you're working on in a different direction in order for you to see like the vision of whoever originally created it. I realized again that I really don't like to do double half hitches forever and ever anymore. I don't like working with really small yarn rope. I think this is 5mm or maybe 3mm. It's a soft textile yarn that's like the tubular kind of like Hobai makes, and like you can get it from amigurumi if you're a crocheter. I realized that it takes a lot of patience to do macrame. I realized that, I don't know, that things have changed over the last 10 years that I've been doing macrame. I think I started in 2015 actually. It's hard. It's a lot of knots. It's a lot of sitting up. It's not like crochet or knitting for me. It's honestly not as fun. But I feel like I am kind of one of the people out there who's done a lot of crochet or macrame, and there aren't as many people that will share their macrame creations with folks, which I'm happy to do when I have the energy, which isn't often anymore. I doubt anyone will get this far into this video, but I will be doing a different one because I actually cracked the code of how the top was made for the most part. But if you have the money, I encourage you to go on to Entriaguas' website and buy one of their beautiful pieces. I didn't see a lot of size inclusivity, but the pieces are gorgeous. This is made out of Colombia. And catch the next one where I'll show you in a panel, like in a grid, how it's actually made. Thank you.